Hey Craig,
Yeah.
are there any cost-effective alternatives to full bathtub replacement?
Let me tell you about that. So, what people will tell you is you can take that existing bathtub, you can repair it, reglaze it, whatever you want to do. And there's kind of two ways to do that. The first one is you come in with a two-part epoxy and actually just paint it. The second one is you hire a company, and the methods they use can be incredibly toxic to the people and the animals in your home. They come in, they sandblast the tub, they put electric charge on it, and then powder coat the existing tub with a new product. At the most, you're going to get 2 to 5 years use out of that reglazed or powder coated tub that you put back in there. So the most cost effective thing to do really is do it right the first time. Come in with a new tub, new wall system that has a lifetime warranty, and then you'll never have to worry about that again.